Welcome to our Alaskan adventure, one of the most beautiful places on earth. Sometimes I wonder what it is about traveling that makes me feel alive again. This trip was my sure shot answer to that question. We cruised through Resurrection Bay in Kenai Fjords National Park, a place filled with glacial beauty, breathtaking landscapes, and some amazing wildlife. The cruise was spacious and clean, with 2 different seating areas, perfect for the next adventure. We could see the cruise sailing through the calm water, leaving the dock behind. The towering cliffs and snow-covered mountain tops almost took my breath away as I lost all words to describe its beauty. Moments like this make you feel grateful for living. As we moved deeper into the fjords, the glacier came closer and closer. Standing near the giant mountains and these massive rivers of ice were awe-inspiring, with their deep blue hues and rugged edges. You could even hear the ice crackling and shifting, nature's music to accompany the stunning scenery. It was a humbling experience to be this close to something so ancient and powerful. The beauty wasn't just in the eyes though. Looking around, we also spotted bald eagles admiring the view. Their presence added to the sense of wilderness and freedom that defines this place. As we headed forward, sea lions and otters were sitting there as if waiting to greet us, along with a chorus of seagulls hovering over the water, a scene so picturesque that you cannot forget. Cruising through Resurrection Bay felt like living in a postcard. Around every bend there was a new view to take in, snow-capped peaks, lush green forests, and the ever-changing play of light on the water. I found myself constantly snapping photos, trying to capture the beauty of it all. But that was not all. We were on the lookout for whales and the anticipation built as we scanned the water. It took some patience, but then out of nowhere there was a spout of water and a quick glimpse of the whale's tail. And then it happened again and again. They were brief but so exciting. Moments like these made the whole trip worthwhile. It was an incredible day filled with amazing sights and unforgettable experiences. Sure, I felt a bit seasick while waiting for the whales, but once we got moving, everything felt better. As we started to head back, the boat picked up speed, and that's when the porpoises arrived. They seemed to be having as much fun as we did. Leaping and spinning around the boat, it was like they were performing just for us, and everyone on board was smiling and cheering. This playful show was the highlight of the trip for me. Watching the porpoises play as we headed back was the perfect way to end our adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through Kenai Fjords, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Ciao!